Hello, I'm Mario Ramirez, and what motivated me to join High Tech Closer program was the fact that I had the opportunity to make a six-figure income as a 17-year-old working 4 hours a day. For me, that was like complete motivator. The fact that if you tell any teen that they can make six figures with only 4 hours of work, they're absolutely going to be interested. However, once I signed up to the program, I realized that this was completely different from anything I've ever done before. This program was life-changing. Not just in a money matter, not in the matter that I now have the skill to make a six-figure income, but the fact that it changed my mentality. This is not any guru that will just tell you anything you want to hear, that anything is possible. Instead, Dan is straightforward. The fact that he cuts out everybody's lies and bullcrap. He absolutely goes straight to the point. He's not afraid to say the truth. And this was one of the most surprising things for me about HTC. However, what surprised me the most was learning Dan's income. The fact that for him, $2,500 for me was absolutely nothing. For me, that was absolutely mind-changing. Not in the matter that I was going to be arrogant, but in a way that maybe even more humble. The fact that, wow, this man has absolutely nothing to gain from me. Instead, I have everything to gain from him. Now, the next 7 weeks, I have to be as committed as possible because I want to learn the most from a man like this. So in one day, I can just be like that. The fact that if I don't have to care about someone's money, I just don't care. For me, that was completely surprising. Something that I have never seen from anyone. Every single other person out there just wants your money. They're gonna tell you the sweet words just to get them because they need it. Dan does not need this money. Dan has impacted me in the most profound way possible. The way that Dan impacted my life the most. Dan impacted my life the most. No. The way that Dan impacted my life the most was when he changed my mentality. The fact that here I am, a 17-year-old immigrant to the United States with a six-figure income job. For me, that was absolutely life-changing. Before I saw myself as just another immigrant that, okay, maybe I can afford a middle class income, a middle class life, a normal life. Instead, now I have a job that can take me anywhere I want. That if I want to go to the vacation I always dreamed of, I can go to it. I have to live my parents' life in a scarcity life, a place where it was hard to even go get a coffee. Instead, now I can do anything I want, go anywhere I want, and support my family, take them out from the hole that they were in, and now I can do anything I want. Having said this, in the next 12 months, I see myself making a six-figure income in my dream college, working 4 hours a week. The fact that I would take that burden out of my parents, take that burden of college, and living the normal broke college student life, and living the life that I dream, while getting all the value from education that I always wanted. Because for me, that's probably one of the most important things. The reason why I invested in this program, to educate myself, to make myself a better person, better me, and then has made the most out of it. And I have also put in the effort to make the most out of it. So in the next 12 months, I can always see myself doing way better than I am after 7 weeks. Be even brighter, be even happier than I am right now with Dan. For me, that is absolutely incredible. If you're skeptical about signing to the HTC and becoming part of our family, or feel that this investment is a big stretch for you, let me tell you, this is absolutely worth it. I am a 17-year-old, broke when I started, but now this was absolutely the best investment I ever made. Better than the investment of college that I'm going to make in a couple months. Better than anything I've ever done. I put all my savings from my summer job and asked my parents for some of the money for this, and they, even though they're hesitant about it, I could not say that they're anything more but absolutely happy that I invested this. They've said it. I'm so happy for you for this. You're gonna make the most out of it, and I'm telling you, if I can do this, a 17-year-old, very naive in any points, you can do it. If if this is a big stretch, let me tell you, you're gonna see this profits, the money that you're gonna make back, the happiness that you're gonna have, your relationships with others, with your loved ones, they're gonna improve. This $2,500 are not just to make more money. They're to become a better you, a better person. And trust me, no money in this world could ever pay you back for that. And I absolutely encourage you to sign up. I only have one thing left to say, and it's thank you. Thank you, Dan. Thank you to the HTC family, because there's a family that I will always cherish, and I will bring